Drake, before we get to the contract signing, I want to ask, it's been a very significant reign. You're second as Lions Pride Sports champion. We, of course, had an unprecedented co-championship reign, but your first time with the gold on your own, how would you characterize that 127 days and counting?
Steve, I knew when I won that belt from Ryan Davidson that I was going to have to show up every show and fight all sorts of folks. All the comers want that prize. And, you know, I have defended it 6 times in this ring, which ties me with the longest reigning champ we ever had, Moonshine Mantell. I'm planning on defending it a 7th time, which I think makes it, is it 3 times over you then?
I believe that is correct, Mr. Durden. You have lost twice, Outlaw, when it comes to this championship to this champion. Why is that going to be different this time, in your opinion?
Let me tell you something, Steve. This time, it's going to be different because all of you people saw it. He's staring right at me. I'm in his head already. I've got him beat before we even get in the ring. That's why I didn't even bring the cowbell tonight. I don't even need it. And Drake, I want you to think about something. Think about what it felt like to feel that blood running down your face last time we were in the ring together. Because everybody knows November 13th is going to happen again. And this time, that's coming on with me.
I guess off of that, he did in fact crack your skull 2 weeks ago with the cowbell. Left you bleeding in the ring. Does that give you at all pause going into this matchup?
Steve, I know what kind of competitor that Outlaw is. He says he's in my head. I think the closest he's come was hitting it with a cowbell. I know what he's capable of. I've seen what he can do in this ring. Everybody out there has seen what he can do in this ring. And I know that he's going to show up on November 13th and he's going to put up a heck of a fight. I bet I'm going to see a cowbell on November 13th, and that's okay. I've kicked out of everything that's come my way so far, and I don't mind kicking out of that again. And I'm just ready for the ref to count 1, 2, 3 so I can take my belt and go back home on the 13th.
All right. I'll even things up with my final question. He mentioned the cowbell, you mentioned the cowbell. Do you have to have the cowbell to win?
This ain't about no cowbell, no split bag, no trash can. I've done all that. Listen. There's only been one man that ever kick out of a cowbell, and that's me. But this ain't about that. Let me tell y'all something. Me and Drake Durden are a lot more alike than you think. You see, Drake, just like me, breaks up families and takes money out of all y'all's pockets. The only difference is he does it in the courtroom wearing a suit, and I do it in this damn ring. And November 13th, you're going to be in my house, you're going to be in outlaw country, and that belt is mine. You can bet on it.
Both these men mentioned, and I was going to announce it, but they took the thunder from me, and that's just fine and dandy. It will be the Lions Pride Sports Championship on the line. It is November 13th at our 4th anniversary show right here at the Lions Den. Drake Durden defends the Lions Pride Sports Championship against Outlaw J. Austin. Gentlemen, let's make it official. Here's the contract. Go ahead and put your signatures on that if you would. Outlaw signed. Mr. Durden has signed. The match is official. 2 weeks from tonight, here at the Lions Den, a can't-miss matchup with the biggest prize and the pride on the line. Outlaw J. Austin against the champ, Drake Durden. Gentlemen, if we can get a couple of pictures with you here, center of the ring.
I'm doing it while you can, big man. Hey, that's right. Get on my good side.
Thanks for watching Lions Pride Sports on YouTube. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Plus, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. For the very latest on Lions Pride Sports, visit our website, lionsprideproductions.com. You'll also find information on the Lions Den training facility there.